Maize has a special place as a golden crop in India. Maize, the third most important food crop, plays a vital role.
More than 31 million tons of this corn grain is produced annually and provides food for humans and livestock. We eat corn in a variety of forms such as roti, snacks and breakfast cereals. Corn is also important in poultry feeding and livestock grazing rather than human use. This contributes to the Indian livestock industry. The compatibility of this crop allows cultivation in different parts of India, provides livelihood and financial opportunities to millions of farmers. Corn production in India is concentrated in some key states. Major match-producing regions are Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. Due to its fertile land and favorable climate, Karnataka is the top producer of match in the country. Andhra Pradesh benefits from its vast agricultural land and irrigation facilities. Maharashtra's diverse agroecological zones make it an important match growing state. These states continue to supply match for human consumption, fodder and industrial need. Millions of Indian peasants are hidden and persevering behind the richness of match. Climate change, with its unpredictable weather conditions, can pose a significant threat to corn cultivation. Regular rainfall, chronic drought and extreme temperatures can affect match yield, affect the livelihood of farmers. Pests and diseases like fall armyworm and fungal blights can destroy fields, leading to financial losses. Market volatility creates another uncertainty, making it difficult for farmers to predict their income. Due to lack of proper storage facilities, farmers will be forced to sell at low prices immediately after their crop. The challenges faced by corn farmers. Millions of families are becoming difficult in real life. Some farmers from Madhya Pradesh have lost their hopes as they have planted their match crop. Prolonged drought left farmers' fields barren and indebted. Many farmers in Andhra Pradesh have lost their match crops due to their families are in. Stories like these point to the harsh reality faced by countless match farmers in India. Climate change, pests. The impact of market volatility is severe in villages. The lives of those who work tirelessly to feed our nation. These challenges have an impact on livelihood. Despite the challenges, there is hope for the future of match cultivation in India. Sustainable farming practices, in conjunction with government initiative and technology, provide solutions to reduce risks and increase productivity. It is important to promote climate-friendly match varieties that can withstand drought, heat and pests. Integrated pest management practices help control pests while reducing the use of harmful pesticides. Crop insurance schemes protect farmers from financial losses due to crop loss. Provide a safety net. By reducing losses, crop insurance empowers farmers to invest in their farms and adopt modern farming practices. Match cultivation in India. The future lies in empowering our farmers with knowledge and resources. Government support is important through research, infrastructure development and farmers' education program. Invest in high-yielding, weather-favorable match varieties and ensures food security, improving the livelihood of farmers. Strengthening rural infrastructure. including irrigation and storage facilities, will enable farmers to get better prices and reduce post-harvest losses. The challenges are real, but so is the perseverance and determination of our farmers. With proper support and sustainable practices, India's match crop can thrive. Food security ensures a bright future for our farmers.